So here the question is add binary, given two binary string, return their sum, and the test case are a is equal to 11, b is equal to 1, and output is 100. So in order to solve, open your IDE, and here we type a is equal to 11 and b is equal to 1. So a and b are stored in string format. So for converting a string format into another format, we have to firstly convert into decimal format. So in order to convert its format, here we type c is equal to int a and addition and int b, and then print c in order to check the output. So its give output is 12. It int always compute its value in decimal form, so it give output as 12. Here the output is 12. So how we can change its base? So open your IDE, and here we type here we can see how can we change the base value of integer. So here we type help int, and here we see that int always compute in decimal format, that is base 10. So for converting into binary format, we give a comma and then 2 for the binary, and comma and 2, and then run the program. So it give the output is 4 because it is stored into integer format. The C is stored its value in integer format. So in order to change this format, here we type bin for binary and then run the program. So 0b and 100. 0b is an indication in Python for binary. So in order to change the indication or remove the indication, here we do slicing of the output to remove 0b, 0 at position 0 and b at position 1. So here we give a slicing and write 2 and colon and then run a program, and here the output is 100. So the test case output and our output matched. So we can copy the code. So we can copy the line of code and paste it at here, and we have to follow the indentation, and then we remove the print, and here we type return because it is a function. Add binary is a function, so we have to return output from the function. So here we write return and then run the code. Here we got unexpected indentation error. To remove this error, we have to follow indentation and then run the code. And our code are accepted, and here we submit our code. Our code runtime is 20 ms and faster than 99.26% of Python online submission for add.